I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Ganarsingh University, Lucknow. Today we are discussing something about the strategic management. If we are going to the particular, we have deal with the strategic evaluation and control. Till now, we have been already discussed various parameters of strategic management, their expertise, where we use this strategic management concept, behavior, different strategies of strategic management, how this strategic management introduced in the business model, and role of strategic management, even why we are conceptualizing this concept in the business administration courses. Now, because this is the ending of this course or that is to be there. So we are today in the discussion mode that what is the evaluation and control in the terms of strategics. So strategic evaluation, this refers to the measurement and testing the efficiency of strategic decisions and the efficiency and their effective implementation of business strategy to achieve desired business objectives. Whatever the strategy we have adopted, whatever strategy we used, whatever strategy we formulate, if that is effective in the terms of the implementation, we can say that we have developed a very good concept. Now, continuous evaluation and monitoring is essential requirement of any plant positions. A particular strategic management process, this is an essential part of that. Otherwise, we will lose the business. Even the evaluation system concentrates on three main aspects of strategy, such as appropriate strategy, then consistency strategy, and feasibility. Of strategy. So three things is to be essential in the terms of the evaluation of strategies: appropriateness, consistency, and the feasibility. Now, as per the strategic manager, if you are, because after doing this course you can become as a, so we may conceptualize the concept, if that is the strategic management, strategic evaluations and control is the process of evaluating strategic plans and monitoring organization performance so that necessary corrective actions can be taken in time. Or in today's condition, it also indicates process of improvement in order to precise out various controlling measures and situations that occurring and to continuously provide greater value to the customers. Right? So if we have to deal with whatever the concept, so in the terms the business environment. So business environment basically is a very dynamic process. Day by day changes are coming down, and it is a highly sensitive, unpredictable, globalization already there. So in the terms of that, a lot of changes has been carried out which is to be need of that. That means this process, strategic evaluation, has the vital significance in the terms of business management. What is the role? What is the importance? If you have to look at the strategic evaluation, identifies the corrective steps and action to achieve business effectiveness and efficiency. Second, the strategic evaluation is not only focused to measure the result but also provide the right path and direction to achieve desired organization plans. Third thing, strategic evaluation and control provide an output of a strategic evaluation, that is a feedback. It provides essential inputs for the future strategic decisions or plans and the policies of the organizations. So in the terms of that, now we have to put down how this process is to be taken care of and how is to be adopted. Now the process of strategic evaluation. in the terms of the process of strategic evaluation, the main thing was there. We have to first, what we have to process of formulation. This is the first step, formulation. Formulation means we have to develop a strategic plan. A strategic plan to prepare for the future. We already discussed about what is plan. Plan is a future course of action. So in this strategic planning, we have to formulate plan. Then अगर कोई प्लान बनाया है तो हमें उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी करना चाहिए. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने के लिए हमें उसको प्रैक्टिस में लाना. So the main thing is to be there. Now that is the implementation. Implementation. Maybe possible you have implemented certain things, then you have to develop a plan also. कई बार I will just wrong. That means strategic plan formulation here, strategic plan into practice here. Now I can just give a small basic example of that. You just go in the market, आपको भूख लगी. स्ट्रेटजी कहती है कि पहले आप अपने जो पेमेंट प्रोसीजर्स उसको चेक कर लीजिए, कितना पैसा आपके पास है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप खर्च करिए, क्योंकि आगे आपके पास कई खर्चे कई और होंगे. बट ऑल ऑफ ए सडन सामने आपको कोई ऐसी चीज दिखाई पड़ती है जिसे खाने की आपकी बहुत इच्छा है और आप अपने को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते और उसे खा लेते हैं. मे बी दैट इज अ कॉस्टली थिंग. और बाद में आपको रियलाइज होता रही मेरे पास और भी एक्सपेंसेस थे और मैंने इस एक्सपेंसेस में इसमें ज्यादा वैल्यू लगा दी. नाउ बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी इंप्लीमेंटेड, वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस्ड दैट थिंग इज टू बी. और लेटर ऑन whatever the amount is to be, we again restructure the plan. Okay, what the thing is to be, we will take up this goods something low, this goods something high, this is to be equal, whatever. By which overall budget should not be disturbed. So this policy can be followed with formulation. This thing is implementation. Maybe implementation is starting. First we have to start implementation, then after we have to. But this is the simultaneous. Both things should be combined. Whatever the formulation implementation takes there, then we have to check down what is the evaluation. Evaluation. How we have to evaluate? We evaluate to know how good our strategy plans and how well they are being implemented. कितना अच्छा हमने पॉलिसी बनाई, कितनी अच्छी हमने उसकी प्रैक्टिस की. हम लोग इसको evaluate करेंगे. Now, after the evaluation, the process is control. What we have to control? The information we get from evaluations enable us to exercise better in the measurement of control, and this means we are able to make better plan in our organization system. So this is the basically the process of strategic evaluation and control measures. So this is the, okay, I think all of you are clearly understand what is the process of implementation. Now, because this is the strategic process, now we have to add control there. There is also a controlling media to be there, but we have to check down only for formulation, implementation, what the result is to be come down, then after have to control the things. So strategic control is the process of monitoring and checking the performance of strategic decisions, ensuring the effective implementation of strategic plans and policies, identifying the problems to take corrective actions whenever required for achievement of the desired organizational objectives. In other words, we can say that controlling system is for effective implementation. Effective implementation. This is to be done. If we have regular step-by-step processes. Now, how we have to control the measurement. Controlling process, whatever the there are certain steps in the controlling process, because here the strategic process is already carried out. Now we have to put on the controlling process. It's to be written. Okay. Now, controlling process. Number first, the same chapter. To establish performance, standards, because each and every company has a different word organized. So first, to establish performance standard, in which we have to decide in which terms our company should know in the market also. So this is the classroom exercise. We have to standard as per the benchmark, as per our capability, intrinsic and extrinsic both. And then after we have said, now we will get on these things. Like in any pharma market is to be there, whenever any product, any owner want to launch any product, they just put down where we have to put down these things. Like if I formulated and Chyawanprash or something is to be there, please just go to the Dabur company और जो उनमें उनका Chyawanprash कितना बिकता है और हम कहाँ पे होंगे after 5 years, after 10 years of time is to be there. So first, to establish performance standard, then to measure organization performance. Measures organization performance. हमारे स्टैंडर्ड बहुत हाई हैं, बट हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की परफॉर्मेंस उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So we cannot set down things. So according to our vision, we should standardize our organization performance. Otherwise, our strategy will not work as per the standards. So now the third, to measure techniques. We just to third thing is to measure techniques. With which strategy we have to use? The things, merger, acquisitions, SWOT, talks, whatever. So we have to use it. Then again, to compare the performance with the standard. Compare the performance with the standard. Whatever the standard we have set up. Whatever. If we are setting standards like the multinational companies, what are the qualities to be there? So our strategy, our plan of action should be like that only. We should not deviate ourselves into here. Then, if any deviation is to be there, because we need the deviations to be there. So, to evaluate the deviations. If any deviation is to be there, we think we will prepare this type of product, but by chance we got the some good quality of product, means उससे ज़्यादा standard या उससे कम का standard आया, तो we have to determine how much positive, how much negative we are. Then to take corrective action. If anything is to be there, कि product ऐसा बनना चाहिए और वो नहीं बन पाया, तो again we have to take the corrective actions accordingly, because the main thing is to be there. Whatever the parameter was there, whatever the steps is to be there, if we will not consider that things, we will not survive in the market. Ultimate, there are certain standards of the government of India, if we are writing, or the international bodies, certain quality control is to be there, a lot of bodies are already laying down and that is to be there, a lot of standards also are coming down. So we have to stabilize that things to be there. Otherwise, what happens to be, we want to set down certain things, like if each and everything we have to, because in the performance standard, this is the what the standard we have to set up. It's simply time standard, cost standard, because अपने पास इतना पैसा नहीं है. We are in the running business to be there. We have the money, but we have other businesses also. There we have to invest the amount. So our standard should be fixed in a very first days to be there. Even this is a classroom training, I already told you. we have to set down each and everything on the paper, because strategy should be converted into plans initially, and plans should be in a written document. And what the standard we set? We have to set down the time standard, cost standard, income standards, then market share standards, return on investment standards. This is to be done. Then we have to, whatever the techniques we already, each and everything, because in the techniques, in measurement of techniques, we have to check down our financial measures. Financial measures means how much net sales can be carried out, current ratio, liquid ratio, net profit ratio, net worth ratio, collection period, this type. Then we have to put down production measures. Then we have to take the market measures is to be there. In the market, we have to both the things, market share and sales analysis. Then we have to look after the marketing expense also. Efficiency analysis, we have to check down. Why I am telling this thing is to be there? Because you should know how we have to control different measures. These all are the standards we already studied in our last units. So, if anything is to be not as per the standard, we have to take the corrective measures, because deviation plays no role in the terms of the business management. Now, finally, how many types of controlling is possible in our administrative tools? So, types of strategic control. Types of strategic control. It's a very simple process. We have discussed about the process. We have to control measures. Now we have to do types of strategic control. Number one, very simple. Premise control is strategic control. Premise control in strategic control. This is to be set at the time of planning, implementation process. Because if any premise is not executable in this conversion, we have to check down in very first phase of that. First is to be there, premises changes. Second, strategic surveillance. Strategic surveillance. Strategic surveillance. What is to be there? Surveillance is basically the khoj or invention, if you like that. Within and outside of the standards we have to check down, and various events we have to check down. And the main thing was there, strategic surveillance. We have to monitor the number of information system in that, and encouraged to implement that thing. What is the best strategy? Because surveillance, we have to check what we are committed, really we are, or what others are committed, really they are. So we have to check down. Then we have to implementation control. Implementation. So implementation control. In the implementation control, we have to check down strategic thrust and milestones. Step by step, each and every strategy should be clear. Then strategic alert control. Strategic alert control. What is that? Because strategic control is a parameter scale. It is applied at the time of unexpected event or occurring sudden situations which would impact on management strategy. आपने जिस दिन लॉन्चिंग के लिए सोचा, उसी दिन देश में कोविड आ गया, क्या करेंगे आप? या तो अपने को बंद कर दें, but it's not possible to be there. What the thing is to be, we have to start with substitute alternatives is to be there. Like, so strategic alert should be take care whatever. So whatever the measures, whatever the traditions, whatever the knowledge, we have to take care. These are the 4 controlling measures. Premise control, first yourself and surroundings to be there. Second, strategic surveillance, we have to check down how we are and others we are, and then accordingly we have to develop the plan of action is to be. Then implementation control, each and every step we have to take care regarding the plan, from production, even raw material procurement up to the user hand, the consumer hand, we have to check down each and everything. Then strategic alert, each and every monitoring is to be there. So in this media, in these values, in this lab, we have to check down things was there. So God, now, finally, because what is the importance of this? Strategic control. Simple. Any idea? Have you? What is the importance? In this importance, we have to control the quality first. Nothing is to be discussed. Second, we have to control our efficiency. Means optimum utilization of resources we are utilized, and we have to take care of that also. Then we have to control innovations, step-by-step process to be there. We have to look after the product life cycle, introductory to maturity phase. In this growth phase, we have to implement our innovative approach also. Then we have to put down customer satisfaction level of control. How much customer is to be satisfied, is more than satisfaction is to be there. We can create the history in terms of that. A lot of studies has been carried out in the strategic evaluation and control. So we have already studied these things. You have already know SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity and threat, in which you have developed a plan, then accordingly you have to implement the things. Then a simple issue I also tell you, that is a gap. Gap is to be there. This is the very best tool is to be there in between the achieved performance and expected. Achieved and expected. If any gap is to be there, we can just check down, and this is the overall things to do. So in the strategic evaluation control, we can control all the measures, all the standards, all the tools, all the techniques. Then only we can say really we have developed a very good strategic approach to it. Because the main thing is strategic control is the prime consideration in today's scenario. If we will not set down, then quickly we can survive. But before checking each and every evaluation process to you should set down certain benchmark for your institution, or which is totally related with your vision. And if vision is correlated with your benchmark, definitely you will stabilize yourself in a certain standard values, which later on market will say, he is the company owner, or that is the company which is now really fantastic approach. Thank you.